As you can see here, and it's Friday morning, sun's coming up, beautiful day here in South Charlotte. As you can see, I've already sent the message when I showed up, or after I hit the accept button. Then I sent another message following instructions, following orders. And then again, after I deliver it, right before I finalize it, close it out, I'll send one more message. There it is. Which of you, by worrying, can add 1 cubit to his stature? Matthew 6, verse 27. And again, here's my notes, my template that I copy and paste from. And I obviously have my GPS on. And this is an order for Chick-fil-A. So y'all, signing off. Have a wonderful Friday. God bless. See you at the top.